Welcome to Tiny Chapters. Enjoy your story.
Peppa Pig and the Day at the Museum. At breakfast, Mummy and Daddy Pig have a surprise. We have a special day planned, says Mummy Pig. We are going to a museum. What, a museum? Asks Peppa. It's a place full of interesting things. Sometimes those things are very old, says Daddy. Older than you? Asks Peppa. Yes, says Daddy, even older than me. Here we are, says Mummy Pig. Oh, says George. The museum is very big, says Peppa. Mummy and Daddy Pig buy tickets from Miss Rabbit. What would you like to see first? Asks Miss Rabbit. Jewels, cries Peppa. Dinosaur, says George. Grrr. The first stop is the King's and Queen's room. It is full of things from long ago. Peppa likes the beautiful robes. And look, there is a crown. There is a throne, too. Peppa wishes she could sit on it. She imagines what it would be like to be the queen, to wear the crown and sit on the royal throne. If I were the queen, she says, I would eat cake every day. The family bows to Her Royal Highness, Queen Peppa. George does not want to wear a crown and sit on the throne. He wants to see the dinosaurs. George stands at the doorway to the dinosaur room. There are many unusual creatures here. Everything is so big, says Peppa, in a very big voice. Oh, says George, in a very small voice. George sees a big dinosaur. Don't worry, says Daddy. Those are just dinosaur bones. They may just be bones, but they are very big. George can just imagine what it would be like to be a dinosaur. He would be bigger than Peppa. He could chase her. George sees something smaller and not very scary. It's a robot dinosaur. Everyone is hungry, so they go to the museum cafe for cake. After the snack, it's time to see the next exhibit. There is a special one at the museum today, says Mummy Pig. It's all about space. Joe's friend Edmund is at the museum too. Edmund knows a lot about space. He and George wear space helmets to tour the exhibit. Miss Rabbit gives them their tickets. First, everyone gets on board the space ride. Blast off, says Mr. Rabbit. He is the tour guide. This is just pretend, isn't it? Asks Peppa. Yes, says Mr. Rabbit. It's just pretend. The rocket takes them to the pretend moon. There are pretend planets too. Do you know what the planets are made of? Asks Mr. Rabbit. Cardboard, says Peppa. Well, their models are made out of cardboard, but the real planets are made out of other things. Rock and ice and gas, says Edmund. What about cheese? Asks Daddy Pig. I thought the moon was made out of cheese. That is just silly, Daddy says Peppa. If this was the real moon, you could jump over my head, says Mr. Rabbit. Do you know why? There is less gravity. Yes, Edmund. You are right. We can make you feel like you are on the moon with these special big rubber bands. Everybody straps into the rubber bands. They jump, bong bong bong, just like on the moon. Miss Rabbit takes their picture. At the gift shop, Peppa gets the picture of everyone jumping on the pretend moon. Daddy is hungry again, so he gets a piece of moon cheese. Then it's time to go home. It has been a great day at the museum. Later, Mummy Pig asks Peppa and George, what was your favorite thing at the museum? Peppa liked everything at the museum, but she does have a favorite. The crown, says Peppa. George liked the space ride, but that wasn't his favorite. Dinosaur, says George. I have two favorites, says Daddy Pig, the cake and the cheese. Peppa Pig and the silly Sniffles. Peppa Pig and Susie Sip are playing store. Susie Sip stocks the shelves. Peppa takes the money. This is a fun job, says Peppa. Danny Dog is their first customer. Hello, could I have some cookies, please? We don't have any cookies, says Susie, but we have a toy telephone. Candy Cat is next. May I have a loaf of bread, please? We don't have any bread, says Susie, but here is a toy house. More and more customers come in. Rebecca Rabbit buys a carrot. Joe Zebra asks for apples. And Susie and Peppa sell her a toy truck. Being a shopkeeper is hard work, says Peppa. Pedro Pony comes in next. Achoo! Sniff, sniff, cough, cough. Pedro has the sniffles. Poor Pedro. Peppa and Susie don't have anything in their shop for him. Susie says Peppa, let's play a new game. We can help Pedro feel better. Peppa and Susie go to the dress-up boxes and change into their new outfits. Then Dr. Peppa and Nurse Susie go to work. Let's have a look, Pedro, says Dr. Peppa. Peppa examines the patient. Oh, this is serious, she says. What should we do? Asks Nurse Susie. Peppa has an idea. She knows just what to do to make Pedro better. How is that, Pedro? Asks Susie. Cough, cough. Don't worry, Pedro, says Peppa. I have another idea. Are you feeling better yet, Pedro? Asks Susie. Achoo, achoo. Cough, not yet, achoo. Okay, I have an extra special treatment, says Peppa. Great idea, Peppa, says Susie. You are a very good doctor. Achoo, sniff, sniff. Cough, cough. Peppa and Susie try again. They are giving Pedro a cast. But Peppa says, Pedro, I don't have a broken leg. I have the sniffles. Achoo, sniff, sniff. But everyone wants to see and sign Pedro's cast. Candy Cat draws a flower. Danny Dog draws a parrot. Joe Zebra draws Mr. Potato. Dr. Pepper draws a muddy puddle. Oh, I think I have the sniffles too, says Candy Cat. Can you help me, Dr. Pepper? Yes, me too, says Danny Dog. I need a cast. Everyone wants Dr. Pepper to help.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.